Hi there. Today on the galley, shrimp cocktail with a twist because it's too hot for a big old pot of boiling water over here on the stove. So I'm going to do this version of shrimp cocktail on the grill. And you know what? It's just so super easy, but it still captures that essence of that classic shrimp cocktail. Now, if you've seen me make shrimp cocktail the traditional way, you've seen that I use my shrimp shells for my poaching liquid. And we won't be needing those today, but I am going to pop them in the freezer for the next time I need them for shrimp cocktail or maybe a seafood stew or something that I'm making. I have 1 pound 15-20 shrimp, peeled, deveined, and leave the tail on. It's kind of your handle. In my bowl here, I'm going to zest and juice 1 lemon. I'm going to leave some of that lemon juice because I'm going to make some cocktail sauce for this. Otherwise, if you're not making the cocktail sauce, just do the whole lemon. And to that, I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of Old Bay. You can make my version or you can use the store-bought. And this is what really gives us that essence of that shrimp cocktail. A tablespoon of avocado oil, and that is it. We're going to whisk that up and we're going to add our shrimp. And honestly, I just like to use my hands to toss. I think it does the best job. Now I'm just going to leave this on the counter and let this marinate. I'm going to toss it a couple times. 15 to 20 minutes. You don't want to go too long. That lemon juice will start cooking your shrimp. And then I'm going to get my grill on 400 degrees. So it's time to go to the grill. And you can see how that is starting to change color right there. That means that lemon juice is starting to cook your shrimp. So for me, that means I let it go too long. But let's go out to the grill. It's a little windy today, so hopefully it'll be okay and we'll be able to grill through it. So I'm going to rub my grates down with some avocado oil. So I'm going to lay these down 2 minutes, flip, another 2 minutes. Shrimp cook really fast, and then don't be afraid to use that beautiful flavor that we made for a drizzle. Now I'm going to lay my shrimp out on this tray, and I'm going to stick this whole tray in the refrigerator for my shrimp to cool down so they'll stop the cooking. There you have it, your summertime grilled shrimp cocktail. It is so delicious, and if you want, you can sprinkle a little of your Old Bay on top. Not too much. Just a nice little garnish. I whipped up a little cocktail sauce here. It's just a wonderful way to have shrimp cocktail in the summer. A super easy way. We did it. It's just perfect. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you grill some shrimp cocktail this summer. If you do, send me a picture. See y'all later. Bye.